I'm very happy to announce our next speaker, Matt Ruby from VUSA. We're going to talk about viral video marketing.
How you guys doing? There's a lot of energy just pulsing through this room right now. It feels good. I really like it. I like it. I feel the dynamic nature of disruption going on in this room right now. A lot of people disrupting the chances of this talk going well. Thank you for that. Yeah, I run VUSA. It's a video site. It's about the tech world. Millions of people watch it. I'm supposed to talk about viral video marketing. Yeah, I could do that. Could talk about viral video marketing. But as you can see from the slide behind me, I'm an innovator. All right? How do you know that I'm an innovator? I put it in a big font, all right? That's the key. And so people say to me, Matt, what's your secret to innovation? What's your secret to making these videos go viral? And I always say, my secret to innovation is to ask one simple question. What would Steve do? All the time. That book, that's my Bible right there, okay? All the time I'm asking, what would Steve do? So, what would Steve do? Let's ask that question. I think the first thing Steve would do, wear a black turtleneck. All right? Check, everyone. That's right. Feel free to applaud the turtleneck. It's 80 degrees outside. I didn't have to do this, people. All right? I suffer for my innovation. I'm sweating like a pig right now for innovation. All right? What else would Steve do? Stop showering, all right? Young Steve Jobs hated to shower. I follow his lead. I haven't showered in 3 weeks. All right? When I walk into a room, I make an impression. That's right. People know I'm around. Lastly, what would Steve do? Take LSD as much as possible. You'll be happy to know that right now I am on a heroic dose of LSD, okay? These lights are incredible, I gotta say. It's great to be aboard your spaceship. Wow. So, we're talking about imaging here, right? That's what our conference is about. How can I bring my innovation mentality to the world of imaging? How do we do something different? How do I bring that Steve Jobs mentality to the world of images? Well, what I always like to do is look at the cliches in a space. Look at what's already being done. That's how I know what to disrupt. All right? So first off, I look at imaging cliches. There's the jumping photos. Right? We all know the jumping photos. We've seen them before. Look at her, just jumping around. It's a good way to get that crazy look on your face, something fresh. It's not as stiff as the usual portrait. Here's the office version. Look at those guys having fun, right? We've all seen those shots, though. It's been done before. I'm not innovating if I do that. What's another imaging cliche? The selfie, right? We all know the selfie. See them everywhere. Everyone's doing the selfies in the bathroom, at the Oscars, the selfies everywhere. So I go to myself, okay, how can I be an image innovator? What would Steve do here? And I think there's an important lesson from that book is that you need to stand at the intersection. You need to find the place where you can combine ideas. And for Steve, it was the intersection of technology and the humanities. All right, that was the space that he owned, that he carved out. That was his island. So I look at the imaging space. Where can I stand at the intersection? Well, you know where I can stand? Right at the intersection of jumping photos and selfies. That's right. No one's ever done this before. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to reveal to you the Jelfie. That's right. We're about to go viral, people. I hope you're ready. Take a look, ladies and gentlemen. The world's first Jelfie. There it is, everyone. Pretty incredible, isn't it? Nothing like a good Subway Jelfie. So, we can bring these worlds together in a brand new way now. I'll show you some more examples. We've got the beach jumping photo. We've all seen that, but it's been done. The beach Jelfie, though, brand new. Brand new. You're not used to the beach Jelfie, are you? We've got Kim Kardashian doing the bathroom mirror selfie. Okay, let's do the mirror Jelfie. There it is, everyone. A key step to the bathroom mirror Jelfie, in my opinion, leave the toilet bowl in. A lot of people overlook the impact of a good toilet bowl. What else? We've got the couple selfie. See that all the time? Couple Jelfie. There you go. Look at that hair in motion. That's how we know we're jumping. The gym selfie. Jim Jelfie, let's do it. There it is. Look at that. You're working out while taking a portrait. How about that? Not a lot of people thought about this. And, of course, we've got the duck face selfie. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this presentation would not be complete without a duck face Jelfie. There it is, everyone. So what I'd like to do before I leave here is get all of you to start a hashtag that is going to go viral. Together, we can make history at the LDV Vision Summit. Are you guys willing to go there with me? Are you guys willing to stand up and take a selfie? All right. Here's the way we do it. You got to stand up. You got to take a selfie. You got to post it, whatever social media site you like. Make sure to use the hashtag selfie. You put LDV Vision Summit on it too. You know, we get some good buzz for the conference. Here's my tip to you. You gotta do iPhone. You know, turn the portrait on yourself. You can use the volume knob as the shutter. A little selfie tip for you since you're going to be up in the air. And now you're all going to stand up and take a selfie. I recommend the flash because it's kind of dark, unless you can turn the lights up in the room. But turn the selfie on, or turn the lights on. Turn the selfie on, and I'll join you. And by the way, if you get tired of this, you can always just go to VUSA and check out our videos. But I'm going to take a selfie right now of all you behind me while I'm doing this. So yeah, stand up and take a selfie, jump in the air, take a photo of yourself, and post it somewhere. Let's do this. All right. Here we go, everyone. This is the technique. Make sure to open your mouth or make a face. You know, let's do a couple of them. One more for good measure. All right. There it is. I like it. I like what I'm seeing, people. The blurrier, the better. It's part of the charm of the selfie. All right, I like the arms raised. Selfie power. All right, guys. Well, you want me to keep going? All right, we're going to show the video? All right, so now I'll leave you now. You'll see one of the VUSA videos just so you get a flavor of what we have to offer at VUSA.com. Follow along, VUSA HQ on Twitter. Thank you very much, guys.
To come up with something truly original, you have to ignore common sense.
You have to start from scratch. You've got to take that call and say, sorry, I can't talk right now. Hang up on the past. That's what we've done at VUSA.
VUSA brings together group messaging, recommendations, and local search in a way that's real-time and customizable. And then also, we steal data from your phone and sell it.
When it comes to design, everything we do is simple, elegant, functional. I look at a teapot and I say, how can our interface be more like steam? Invisible, yet forceful.
Our process, agile, and we make sure our app is filled with authenticity and passion, and we're constantly coming up with questions. Like, what if like buttons? Can they be local?
What if you could leave user reviews on members of your family?
What if your photo filters had an API? And what if that API had its own photo filter?
We believe in the power of iteration. We originally started off as StumbleMonkey, which was like Airbnb, but for online dating. So when you left town, you could rent out your spouse or partner. Great idea, but we found out it was illegal, so then we had to pivot.
We changed our name to Gagagupta, that's with 6 R's, and that app was like Spotify meets Grindr, but for rental cars, but run as if it were for a hotel.
And then from there, we pivoted again and formed FlipSpot. That was like Instapaper meets Kickstarter, and a little bit like Quora, but without the questions. And we took your credit card payments and made them animated GIFs.
Every startup can tell you how much you learned from failure. And if you look at how much we've failed, that's where you can see how smart we've become.
We believe in radical, impactful transparency, something that we call radimparency. And that's why we're going to bring cameras into our office and show you the process and our team as we build our app. You're going to get to see the best social, local, mobile, and real-time web app that's ever been built from the ground up.
Watch out, world, because the VUSA volcano is about to disrupt.